In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Capitec account to your Betway account using the Capitec app. If you've never done this before, don't worry. I'll walk you through each step so the process is simple and easy to follow. First, open the Capitec app on your mobile device and log in using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen with several options related to your account. You can either scroll down to find the transfer options or tap on the Transact button at the bottom of the screen to access all money transfer functions. Next, choose the option to transfer money to another bank. This is important because Betway payments are processed through their bank account, not within Capitec itself. Make sure you do not select any options for transferring within Capitec or to other beneficiaries in the same bank. Once you've selected Other Bank, you'll need to enter the recipient details. Start by selecting the bank where Betway holds its account. Then enter the full account number exactly as provided by Betway. Choose the account type, which is usually a current account, and then enter the amount you want to deposit. You may also have an option to add a reference or description. It's a good idea to include your Betway username so the payment can be tracked properly. After filling in all the details, review everything carefully to make sure it's correct. Once you're confident, authorize the transfer using your biometric login or remote PIN. Keep in mind that Capitec may charge a small fee for transfers to other banks, and processing times can vary. Sometimes it may take a few hours, or in some cases a day or two, depending on when you make the payment. After confirming, the money will be sent to Betway, and you should see it reflected in your Betway account shortly. You can repeat this process anytime you want to fund your Betway account as long as you have the correct bank details and enough funds in your Capitec account. And that's it. Using these steps, you can easily transfer money from your Capitec account to your Betway account directly through the Capitec app.